Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Wrangler top. We'll start with the hardtop's front panels, often called freedom panels. Begin by lowering your sun visors to reveal the latches. You'll find 6 L-shaped locks and 2 levers that need to be unhooked. Once released, gently lift each panel, starting with the driver's side, and store them securely. This initial step is quick, usually taking just a few minutes. Now, let's tackle the larger rear section of your hardtop. First, open the swing gate and lift the rear window glass. You'll need a T50 Torx head driver to remove 1 screw at each B-pillar and 6 more screws inside the vehicle, 3 on each side. Next, disconnect the wiring harness and washer hose located in the rear left corner. This part requires at least 2 people. Carefully lift the hardtop straight off and place it on a soft, dry surface. If you have a soft top, the process is a bit different. Start by opening the tailgate and unzipping the rear window. Gently slide it out of its track, usually to the left, and store it safely. Then, move to the quarter windows. Release the plastic retainers and any hook and loop fasteners. Slide these windows toward the rear to detach them from their tracks. Always store your windows in a dedicated soft bag to keep them pristine. To fully enjoy the open air with your soft top, pull down the 2 header latches above the windshield. This allows the front of the top to release and fold back into the sunrider position. If you want to remove it completely, detach the top from the roll bar behind the seats. Always ensure all connections are free before lifting. Remember, a mesh sunshade can offer great protection from the sun while still giving you that open-air feeling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.